This is a townhouse residential community located in the suburbs of Shanghai. These houses all have 3 floors and a basement. Let's walk in and take a look at the house being renovated. The central air conditioning and the ceiling are almost completed. The carpenter on the 3rd floor is decorating the roof. The plumber in the basement is installing the main pipeline for on-the-floor heating. He will use the materials stacked outside to install on-the-floor heating, which include XPS insulation board, aluminum foil film, EVA edge strip, pipe insulation, fiberglass mesh, manual clips, and stapler. If you want to know more about Chinese construction site and on-the-floor heating, please hit the subscribe button below and leave your comment.